Hey Glam Squad, what's up? This is your girl Dalou. In today's video, I am going to show you how I DIY some beautiful glam home decor, and at the end of the video, I'm gonna show you how to style them. The first one we are going to do together, it is a ZGallerie dupe. As you can see, the price range is $100 to $130. Currently, they are on sale. First, I'm gonna start with these dowels. I'm gonna be using 8 of them. My vase is from the dollar store, the 7.5 inches one. Gold tip, I got them from Michael's and Hobby Lobby. I'm going to measure the wood stick against the vase, and later on I'm going to cut them. I'm using the tip to roll the dolls. I could have spray painted them if I wanted to, but I choose to go that route instead. By the way, I was inspired by Decor.snippets on Instagram to do this DIY. She is fabulous. I will put her handle in the description box just in case if you want to check her out. I'm also going to be putting a piece of tape on top of the vase and at the bottom of the vase. Let me take this opportunity to welcome all of you who are new to my channel. I upload glam home decor and DIY videos. Please hit your subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss anything as soon as I upload. To my returning Glam Squad, thank you so much. I love you all. Please check me out on Instagram and on Facebook at Glam Style with Dalou. This coming Wednesday, April 28th, I am going to be in my husband's channel, I Live Life on Purpose. I'm going to be sharing some tips on how to turn your gift into profit. I would love it if you come check me out. It is going to be a live session at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Link for his channel will be in the description box and in the comment section. I look forward to seeing you all there. Now let's move on to the second DIY. Once again, I'm using another vase from the dollar store. This one is just really simple. I'm just gonna use the hot glue from the gun, and then that's it. This is another inspiration from Instagram as well. I spray it very lightly. We are done with the second DIY. Now I'm gonna move on to the third one, and this is the inspiration from Wayfair. These beautiful napkin rings, 4 of them for $40. I bought a set of doorknobs from Home Sense. As you can see, it's a total of 12 of them for $15. I'm going to remove the screw.
Cuando comprendí que esto no me llevaba a algún lugar y te conocí, solo con un beso me hiciste el amor. Desde eso no quería nada más.
I'm going to be using these napkin rings from the dollar store. I'm going to spray paint them gold. Once they dry out, I did not like the finished look of them, so I'm just gonna use the tape on them to make them look nicer.
Sea como sea, siempre te elijo a ti. Todos esos placeres, oh, sin ti mi vida no son nada para mí, baby. Somos instantes que duran toda la vida. No brillamos sin oscuridad. Me cambiaste la verdad.
And then I'm gonna glue the marble piece on top of it using my hot glue gun from Amazon, but later on I'm gonna go back and reinforce it with E6000 glue.
Sin ropita como te apetece. Vamos a hacerlo por ahí un par de veces. Ya me conoces y tú sabes que yo quiero contigo. Esa vaina del amor combinado con amigos. Es mejor eso por lo que parece. Te voy a dar todo lo que te mereces. Yeah, yeah.
Y a mi alma no está en venta. Para separar no se inventa. Muchas cosas raras que comentan. Ya no sé, pero baby, contigo me siento bien. Qué feliz yo de ser. Pusiste color, son mi mejor versión, son mi mejor versión. Esos gracias a vos, yeah.
Para que sepas bien, bebé, cambió toda mi vida al verte. Yo solo la paso bien, ahora que puedo tenerte. Mi vida es más bella, contigo doncella.
Guys, please leave a comment below. Let me know which DIY was your favorite. I will see you on the next one. Please hit your subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you can get notified once I upload. I love you always. Bye bye. Mwah.